Well, I just heard a rapping on my door. I think we got some maple syrup stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to Gagne Farms. Today we received our shipment from Roth Sugar Bush. So we decided to get some of our stuff ordered early this year. We didn't know with COVID going on if we were gonna, have any shipping delays or anything. So we wanted to get that in and get ready for the season. So what do you think, Candace? You want to check this out or what? Shall we?
We shall.
What we got there? What is that?
Oh, we got some taps.
Oopsies. Oh, what we got there?
Tubing.
We have some filters here.
Filters. Oh, they look a little different than what we used before. Why is that?
Oh, I'm short, so I have to stand on the chair to get this out of the box. Oh. Here, just set that aside. I'm gonna pull this out, okay? And then can you pull that box away? Ready? Oh. All right. So this here, what is that, Candace?
It is a... Is that inches?
Yes. No, it's a 9-footer. We're gonna go big.
9-inch CDL vacuum filter press. Press vacuum.
Yeah. So.
Press a vacuum.
So what's that do?
This is going to save us an immense amount of time and headache trying to filter niter out of our syrup.
Yeah.
This is a syrup filter. So after you process your sap, you filter it through here and you suck it through the filters. I don't know, I haven't used it yet. So
yep.
You suck it through the filters. We got to get a shot vac that isn't used for nasty stuff. That's used just for this. And then you can bottle it right out of there.
Yeah, and that's gonna
regulate temperature and get rid of a lot of the niter out of it.
The biggest thing is we've been selling a lot more syrup lately, and we do have niter. Everybody has a little bit of niter in their syrup, but we're trying to get that out. Especially we have glass bottles, so
it doesn't look the best in the glass bottles.
Right, but it tastes great. It just keeps coming. There's more presents every time I dig further into the filter press. Alright guys, so here's a quick rundown. Basically, there's filters that go right here in between the top portion and the bottom portion. You put your filters right there. There's a vacuum line that hooks here up to a vacuum, just a dry vac. We have a temperature gauge and a draw-off valve. So you put your finished syrup in here, turn your vacuum on, it draws the syrup through the filters, the pre-filter, the filter, and then into the draw-off tank. This will be sitting on a burner just to keep up to temperature, and when it stays at temperature, then we can just draw off here and bottle right from here. It's all one-step process. Check it out, guys. This is going to make Candace's job a lot easier.
Hi everybody, it is mid-January here on Gagne Farms and we are already gearing up and very excited for maple syrup season. Last year we tapped trees on February 15th, so it is closer than what you think. and we are starting to get ready, get all of our equipment ready. We've got some new ideas and new goals this year, so we thought we'd share that with you.
A little recap from last year. We had 60 taps out last year, and we produced, I think, just a little bit more than 4 gallons of syrup. We had quite a few different additions last year. We made our RO system, which helped greatly. And we also got IBC totes for sap storage and some 55-gallon barrels for sap storage and RO. Also, we got our bottles and labels last year, and it was a little bit more professional than the first year. So we've kind of upgraded here year after year. And that's what we're continuing to do this year.
This year we're hoping to get a lot more syrup than we did last year. And we've got some new things in place that we're hoping get us to our goals. We've got some lofty goals, and we'll share that with you in a minute. But we have a new area of the woods that we're going to be opening up. We need to get back there and cut some of the dead trees out, and there's some that are laying across the trail. But there's an old trail back there, and all along the trail are some great maple trees that we cannot wait to tap. So we are planning on having about 110 taps total this year. So that's up from the 60 we had last year. And we also invested in a vacuum filter press. And so I'm like really excited about that. Because we were really hillbilly about how we filtered before. So we're kind of excited about that.
Yeah, hopefully this is really going to help our clarity with the syrup and kind of up our game and up the quality just a little bit here. We're trying to get rid of some of the niter, and we're also, with this vacuum filter press, you can bottle right from it. So this should be more of a faster operation with filtering and bottling all at one time. So
it's going to make us a lot more efficient.
Yep, and when we're boiling as much sap as we are, we don't have time to do secondary operations with all of the finish boiling and then bottling and filtering, and it takes a very long time just to get a gallon or two of syrup when we're doing all these other processes.
Drum roll, please. Are you ready for our goal this year? Thank you for the silent drum roll. Our goal is to get 20 gallons of syrup this year.
What?
Yep, 20 gallons, baby.
What?
It's attainable.
Whose goal is it? Is this your goal or my goal?
It is Gagne Farms' goal.
20 gallons. I think we can hit 20. We've never hit 20 before, but we're going to do it this year. So I know we've got a good season ahead of us. We've got a lot of our processes are streamlined now, so I think 20 is a good number to start with. You guys follow along with us throughout the year and see if we can't hit that goal. We'll give you guys updates probably week by week, and we'll see how close to that 20 gallons we can get, or if we can get over our 20 gallons.
Make sure that you follow along with us through the maple syrup season. We're going to be filming all the way through it so you can see the updates that we've made and how everything is going to be much more efficient and take less time, and we're going to get more syrup, I hope. I don't know, maybe we'll even make one of those like trackers to track our gallons, and you guys can go ahead and track along with us. If you enjoy our channel and enjoyed this video, please like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications so that you can get updates all through maple syrup season and help climb to our goal with us.
Hey guys, comment down below. Let me know how many gallons you guys think we're going to actually produce this year. Is 20 too much? 20 not enough? Let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.